This is the Hui Lingyang Pop-up 6-man tent. Since I've got this tent, it has totally become my favorite tent, go-to tent. Use it all the time. Been using it for about a year now. I love it. I pulled the tent out, unpacked it, and literally threw it out on the ground, and that is it. I didn't even bother to stake it down. Just threw the tent down, unzipped it, threw all my gear in here, and we're good to go. So my setup literally took less than a minute. Here's the front door and the vestibule area, but there's plenty of room so I could bring my chair in so it didn't get wet from dew and all that kind of stuff. Plenty of room in the vestibule for that. I've got an old inflatable mattress down here that doesn't hold air anymore. I believe right now the temperature is about 27 degrees. I just throw it down as another base layer to get me up off the ground a little more. So I've got the tarp of the tent floor, and I've got that. And then I use these inflatable pads, and I like to be comfortable at night, so I don't use just one. I actually have two of them side by side just to give me a wider place to sleep so I don't accidentally roll off of it in the middle of the night. And on the back side of it, you can see I put some tape on the back just to hold them together so they don't slide apart. And then I have sleeping bags. His nice, I don't know, weird brand, but these are 0 degree sleeping bags. And I actually have two of them here, as you can see. And I have them zipped together so that they act like one sleeping bag, but it's actually two of them zipped together. So it gives me twice as much space to sleep in, so I can spread out and not have to feel all confined. But these are real nice because they've got the soft inner side instead of the shiny stuff, so I like that. And I just bring a pillow like this, and brought an extra blanket just because I got my body pillow here, so I can really get in here and spread out really good. Got lots of room. Like I say, this is supposed to be a 6-man tent, but when you only have one person in it, your one person just gets all kind of extra space. Over here I got, my knife and stuff in there. Pocket over there has just got, my keys and my lighter. I actually do have an extra sleeping bag over here in case I needed it. Those are the bags for my other sleeping bags and sleeping pads and all that. I got a gear bag here where I keep my computers and cables and stuff like that. My clothes. We don't get a lot of animals out here, but like to keep this handy just in case, you never know. Here's another gear bag. I keep a lot of camping gear, lights, batteries, cables, my knives. Got my kookery in there, extra charger, solar charger, all that good stuff. Got my battery here. Probably charge my phone on that tonight while I'm sleeping. Got some snacks, drinks. We are out here sort of in work mode, so I actually brought breakfast and coffee in. So in the morning, I will wake up and actually make coffee and eat a hot breakfast. Tomorrow will be the breakfast skillet from Mountain House. These things are awesome. Get some hot coffee and a hot breakfast right here in the tent before I even get out of bed. So it's breakfast in bed for me in the morning. And that's pretty much it, man. Lots of space in here. This has quickly become my favorite tent of all time. It's so easy to set up. It's like you gotta find something else to do, I mean, it used to take me half an hour, 45 minutes just to set up my tent and get ready to go, and now it's like 30 seconds. Ready to go. So getting ready to go to bed tonight.